Okay.
Hi
guys.
The shopping.
Where are we going to?
We are going to to have some breakfast. Today we are going to have food at the restaurant. Yes.
Okay. What food are you going to have?
No, we are not there yet. So if we are there, I'll choose the food I want. So I'll catch you if you wish. Bye. I'll catch you if you.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. How are you? And we are heading out to the mall to have some breakfast.
That's what we see.
Then how are you guys?
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have been watching this video.
Okay guys. Oops.
Okay.
It's okay. Alright guys, so we are going for breakfast. Today is Friday, it's a weekend. We're heading out. I just stopped to get some fuel at the petrol station. And yeah, we're going to have some breakfast at the Dubai Mall. We just felt like having breakfast out today. So exactly what we're going to do. So we'll catch you when we get there. Yeah? Okay.
This is the place that we do the boats. This is the place that cars go. And then this is the place that we'll be seeing the building.
Yes. Water is with Daddy. Are you thirsty? Where are Charwa?
I'm talking about the water that we drink, the water that we watch. Water that we
stand there. Go and stand there. Go and stand there. Nah, I don't want to come. Go to the go and stand next to Daddy. Minini. Minini, what's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, let's take a picture. Say cheese. Zayda, come. Zayda, come, let's take a picture. Let's sit here for now and then we'll go there in a bit. Okay, I'm tired. Mommy is tired. Mommy is tired. Zayda, look at what Zayda is saying.
What happened?
Okay, come, let's go. They want to go by the... But I'm tired, guys. They want us to go to the beach. But you know, because today is Friday, it's so busy. It's full, it's packed, and I don't want to go there with too much crowd, considering the fact that there is COVID. So I just wanted us to sit here, but the kids are saying no. Come, let me speak to you. Come. Zayda, come. Come and tell me what you want. Come.
I want to go there.
I want to go there. Okay, Zomute. Zomute to. Zoshe Mwaje Abashimuti. Zayda.
Zayda, Zamu. Let's go, Mom.
Okay, guys. So,
I'm going.
Zayda, are you okay? Are you okay? Guys, have you seen how crowded the place is? Or you want Daddy to take you? I'll be waiting for you. Then let Daddy take you. I'll wait for you here. Okay? Okay. Daddy, do you want to take them? Okay. So Daddy would take them because, guys, I'm not ready to go there. I didn't plan to go by the beach, but just that the restaurant we came to is just close by the beach, so we decided to just come and have a quick look. And it's so crowded, there's too many people here, and everybody's swimming in bikinis and stuff, and I really don't want to go there. So I'll let them go with their father so that there's just a quick peep and come back. I'll wait for them here. Okay, guys, go.
Yay.
I'm waiting for you. Wear your nose mask because that place is crowded. Nobody is wearing nose mask. Nobody's wearing nose mask there. Okay. Zafira, let me fix it for you. Oh, hold on. It's because of the way you twisted it. Okay, now put it on. Put the other side on. Is it okay? Let me see the other side.
Oh, Mommy and Zayda.
They are waiting for you. Stop running. Alright guys, I'm going to show you something. There's something here called the flying cup. It's called the flying cup. I'll show it to you. You can go, it takes you up for I'm not sure how many minutes, but then when you get up there you can have some snacks, eat there and all that, and then it will bring you down again after some time. I'll show it to you right now. So yeah, it's called the flying cup. You can see there, you can see right there that the flying cup. So it takes you up. At the moment there are some people there. I was trying to zoom in up with music. I'll let you see when it's coming down.
Hey, we are back.
Welcome back. Are you tired? Will you drink water?
Yes.
That's why we are back. She said she's sweating. She can't stand it anymore. We should come. She's tired.
Okay. Drink water.
We walk. Look at the chan.
Nah, I'm going It's
not easy, eh?
Daddy, Fadi Muna.
Okay, guys. I don't know if it's clearer. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the sun is too much. So they're back after about 20 minutes.
Daddy,
Zeda is thirsty.
What's happening? Daddy, and what's happening?
Talk about your channel. Alcohol be sung.
I'm gonna try too.
No.
I'm gonna just slide. I'm going to.
All right, we are back home now. It's 8:45. So let me tell you what happened. So remember I told you we're supposed to go to Dubai Mall to fix the phone and all that and watch the fountain, water fountain. But whilst we're coming, Zeda slept in the car. So usually she has to have her afternoon nap. Zeda always naps in the afternoon. So when we sat in the car, she slept, and then we told Zafira, then let's go home because there's no point going to the mall if Zeta is sleeping and we have to wake up and all that. So let's just go home. This woman here was not happy. She was crying.
Mommy said Zafira.
Okay, Zafira was crying. So we had to find an alternative. Instead of coming home, I live close to the beach. It's just across the street. So then we had to tell her, okay, then we'll come to the beach close to us. So that's what we ended up doing. So we didn't go to Dubai Mall. We passed by, because the beach is right in front of our house, we passed by in front of our building. So my husband quickly came up to get our mat, because we will probably want to sit when we get to the beach just to get some fresh air. So that's what we did. He came up, got the mat, and then we went there. We spent it's been about 3 hours or 4 hours, yes, which was good. Like the breeze, the air was nice. We're just watching the sea. It was beautiful. And it was packed, of course. It's a Friday, so of course it's packed. Everyone is out. Yeah, so we just got home from there. And for dinner, because we had a very late breakfast, the kids might be hungry. I have some food in the fridge, but
because we have a very late dinner, so we weren't hungry.
Are you hungry?
Because we have a late dinner, so we ate in the afternoon.
Late breakfast. Late breakfast. So
And we ate brunch.
We had brunch. So we just passed by to get some Arabic bread. I have some grilled chicken in the fridge. I have some salad that I made last time, so we just use that to make a quick sandwich, like a salad. We just put in the bread and roll it with some dressing. That's the plan for this evening, because of course it's almost 9 and we don't want to eat anything too heavy, especially for us, the adults. The kids, I don't mind. I can give them some rice. I have some rice, so I can make some indomie for them, because they love indomie, especially Zeta. So it's either we give them the bread or some indomie. Let's see. So that's it for today. I'll talk to you if I don't come back tomorrow, because I have exam and I have to study. I'll see you next time in another vlog if I don't add whatever is coming up to this one. Yeah. All right. Bye.